Today, I worked on a vehicle brought in because the check engine light was on. The customer mentioned no other symptoms, so I started with a diagnostic scan to see what the issue was. The scan tool revealed two codes: P0171, System 2 Lean, Bank 1, P1101, Intake Airflow System Performance. These codes typically point to issues with the air intake system or something affecting the air-fuel mixture. To dig deeper, I cleared the codes and performed a road test while monitoring live data. During the road test, I noticed that both the long-term and short-term fuel trims were way out of specification, confirming that the engine was running lean. The next step was a thorough inspection of the air intake system. Visually, everything seemed fine, no obvious signs of damage, loose connections, or cracks. However, appearances can be deceiving, so I connected a smoke machine to the intake system. Smoke testing is one of the best ways to find hidden leaks. When I induced smoke into the system, the smoke machine indicated a leak, but no external smoke was visible. That's when I removed the engine oil fill cap, and sure enough, smoke was escaping from the valve cover. At this point, I removed the valve cover to inspect the integrated positive crankcase ventilation, PCV valve. The PCV valve was damaged, which explained the leak. On this engine, the PCV valve is integrated into the valve cover, meaning the entire valve cover needed to be replaced. But before replacing the valve cover, it's critical to check the positive crankcase ventilation vacuum check valves. If these check valves aren't working properly, they can create excessive pressure and cause a newly installed valve cover to fail in just a few months. There are two check valves on this engine. One is located within the intake manifold. To test it, I inspected the port and verified that the small orange-red pin was present and functional. 2. The other check valve is at the turbocharger inlet. I tested it by blowing through the corrugated hose connected to the turbocharger inlet to ensure air flowed smoothly. Both check valves were functioning correctly, so I proceeded to replace the faulty valve cover with a new one. Once the new cover was installed, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test to verify the repair. The vehicle ran perfectly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new codes appeared. Why this happens? The PCV valve plays a vital role in maintaining proper crankcase ventilation and air-fuel mixture. Over time, it can fail due to heat, wear, or pressure imbalances. Faulty check valves can worsen the problem, leading to repeat failures if not addressed. What to remember: if you're replacing a valve cover with an integrated PCV valve, always check the associated vacuum check valves to prevent future issues. Smoke testing is also an invaluable tool for detecting hard-to-spot leaks in the intake system. With everything running smoothly, this vehicle is back on the road and the customer can drive with confidence.